Hello there, my friends. So, a while back, I put in this tub surround relatively recently. You can see it's still pretty clean. Still have some things to do. But one of the things about this tub surround is that the old tub surround had little bars, like in this recess here, where you could put your washcloth and you were done with it. So now this doesn't have that. It was an oversight on my part. So I can hang them from R2D2 up there. Shower head. Yeah, I know. Look at those water stains. But or I could put it right there on the spout. But I don't know. I don't like either one of those ideas. So we've been hanging them on the edge of the tub, the wet washcloths. So what I did instead was I bought this kind of vacuum safety grip thing, and I got it off of Amazon for less than $15 with tax, the state tax in my state anyway. So 16-inch suction cup mount. It's on there pretty good. Pretty simple, just two little clamps here. And then when you want to reduce the suction, you just put your fingernail under it and then clamp it down again, and it's on there pretty good. So it's really not designed to hold your full weight, but you could use it to stabilize yourself, I guess, if you needed to. But I'm using it as a place to hang my wet washcloths to dry while, once I'm done with the shower. So anyway, it's a little solution for you guys. If that helps you press like, I appreciate it. And have a great day. And if you have any questions, let me know. Take care.